Welcome to our latest video on how to turn on the playback feature in the Telegram app for Android devices. Follow these simple steps to enable this functionality on your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and find the Apps option. Tap on it to proceed. Next, scroll through the list of installed apps and locate the Telegram app. Tap on it to access the app settings. Within the Telegram app settings, look for the Appear on Top option. Tap on it to access the additional settings. Now you will see the option to turn on the Allow Permission toggle. Toggle it on to grant the necessary permission for playback in the Telegram app. That's it. You have successfully enabled the playback feature in the Telegram app on your Android device. Now you can easily listen to voice messages and audio files while using the app. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the process of turning on the playback feature in the Telegram app. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips on using various apps and features on your devices. Thank you for watching.